You know what? Are you struggling to lose weight? Get your basics right. It's very simple. It's calories in and calories out. If you want to lose weight, you have to create a negative calorie balance. You know, if you cut down 500 calories per day, then you lose 1 pound in a week. That is 4 pounds in a month. That's approximately around 2 kgs in a month, and that's very healthy. So how do we do it? So we have to boost our metabolism first. Then we have to reduce the food intake and we have to increase the activity. So for this you have to maintain a diary. You have to write down everything you eat and write the calories. You can Google it and know the calories, how many calories you are consuming. And then eliminate all the snacks, colas, nuts and excessive portions. Try to make portions small. So this way you will create low calories. And then you should know other fact is that 1 gram of carb and 1 gram of protein give 4 calories. But 1 gram of fat gives you 9 calories. And second, you should know your calorie requirement. Normally for women it is around 1200 to 1500 calories. And for men 1800 to 2200. And depending on the work you have to adjust. And out of these calories, 20% should come from the fats, 30% from the proteins, 30% from the carbohydrates and 50% from the proteins. So this way you will lose weight fast. And to know good carbs, your good carbs are, your carb requirement should come from your fruits, vegetables, wheat, good quality of fiber rice and millet and multigrain attas. So all this you will get good carbs. Then for good protein you must concentrate on your eggs, you must concentrate on lean white meat and milk products and milk and soy products, dals, pulses. All this is good source of protein. And for good fats, that is for polyunsaturated and monounsaturated fats, you have to concentrate on your good oils. That is mustard oil, then sunflower vegetable oil and olive oil, avocado, and you have to avoid trans fatty, saturated fats. That means you have to avoid butter and lard and processed foods and fatty meats and all, and Kentucky fried chicken with the skin and all, and all the burgers. They are yummy, but they are full of fat and all. So you have to avoid, you have to concentrate on good fats. So once you know these facts, then it's not difficult to, lose weight. You will achieve your goal fast. So know your facts and try to be healthy. And create this healthy awareness in your family also. Let all the family members follow. Then it becomes very easy to lose weight and be healthy. So create this awareness. Thank you.